Hello guys, welcome to Marisa's channel. Today we are going to cook Lechon Kawali. We are gonna cook this pork belly for half hour with salt, 5 clove of garlics, and I'm going to add celery, onion, and cilantro. Here's the cilantro, one stick of celery, half of white onion, and 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper. So now let's right there put it everything together. Welcome back to Marisa's channel. Good morning. Here's the pork belly that we marinated yesterday. That's been overnight. Today I'm going to deep fry today.